If you think every flagship heats up and drops frames these days, the Nubia Z80 Ultra is here to prove you wrong. Today we're running a full gaming test on the Nubia Z80 Ultra. No camera talk, no design talk, just pure performance. I've been testing this phone for a few days, and honestly, it surprised me. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Adreno 840 GPU, Nebula AI OS 2, and some of the fastest storage you can get right now. But raw specs don't matter until we see what happens inside real games. So let's talk about what this thing can actually do when you push it to its limits. The moment you fire up your first game, you can instantly feel how aggressively this chipset is tuned. The 8 Elite Gen 5 is built on a 3nm process, and the CPU layout is different from anything Qualcomm has done before. 2 performance cores running at 4.6 GHz and 6 efficiency cores at 3.62 GHz. In gameplay, this matters because it avoids those sudden dips when something heavy loads in the background. Instead of spiking and overheating, it spreads the load and keeps things smooth. The Adreno 840 GPU is where the Z80 Ultra shows its real power. Games like PUBG New State, COD Mobile, and Mobile Legends run at max settings without breaking a sweat. You can push extreme frame rates, and the phone keeps everything sharp, clean, and consistent. I tried rapid movement, smoke effects, long-range scopes. Everything stays stable. No blurry edges, no pixel smearing, no hiccups when grenades explode on screen. When you jump into heavier titles like Genshin or Honkai, that's where most flagships start showing thermal throttling. The Z80 Ultra still warms up, but it doesn't panic. The frame rate stays surprisingly steady, and the device doesn't hit that hot metal slab temperature that ruins longer sessions. Nubia clearly worked on thermal management, and it shows. After 20 to 25 minutes, it's warm but controlled, not frying your fingers. Storage speed also makes a difference here. The phone uses UFS 4.1, which means loading into open world areas feels instant. No texture popping, no delayed shadows, and switching between apps is almost smooth enough that it feels like cheating. And with options up to 1 TB with 16 GB of RAM, you don't have to delete older games or worry about updates eating your storage. Everything loads fast and stays ready. One thing I really liked is how Nebula AI OS 2 manages touch response. The moment you flick the thumbstick or drag to aim, the phone reacts instantly. Inputs feel snappy and accurate, which is something gamers rarely talk about, but immediately appreciate when it's missing. There's no ghost touch, no weird delay, just a clean, responsive experience. Battery performance during gaming is solid too. Even on max graphics, the drain is steady, but not out of control. You can play long sessions without watching your battery melt away, and because it charges fast, you can top up quickly and get back into the match. After testing everything from casual shooters to full open world games, I can say this confidently. The Nubia Z80 Ultra is one of the most stable gaming phones of 2025. It's fast, it's smooth, it stays cool enough, and it never feels like it's fighting against its own hardware. On paper, it's powerful. In real life, it performs even better. If you want a full comparison video, Z80 Ultra versus Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 devices, tell me in the comments, and I'll make that next.